The Tecno Spark 8C is the latest addition to the Tecno Spark series, and it is the first Tecno budget phone with a memory fusion, a device that attempts to deliver an affordable all-round package with an emphasis on memory fusion, faster refresh rate, and a decent battery life. We live in extraordinary times where you can now get a low-budget smartphone supporting all the latest connectivity with a long-lasting battery, but most of them suffer when it comes to performance. And this is where the Tecno Spark 8C comes in. Hey guys, Fred here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the all-new Tecno Spark 8C right here, and also show you how you can update it to enable the memory fusion option that gives you the ability to expand the RAM size for extra performance. One of the major pain points of people buying affordable devices is the small RAM that most of these smartphones comes with. As I stated earlier, most of them struggle when it comes to performance, but with the Spark 8C right here, the problem has been solved, and the good thing about it is that the device is quite affordable. Okay, so when you open the box, you're greeted with the device itself. It carries basic specs about it. Next is a plastic silicone case that fits perfectly fine with the device. Then moving on, we have a 12 plus 1 month warranty card. We also have a 10-watt charger, a micro USB charging cable, the earpiece, and lastly a SIM ejector tool. So moving back to the device, the Spark 8C comes with a new design. As you can see here, it looks very attractive with this plastic back design and has a huge cutout for a dual camera and a fingerprint scanner. There's a huge stop at nothing branding and the Tecno Spark logo as well. I like how portable it feels in the hand, and I must say it looks beautiful. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. To the left, we've got a SIM tray that can take 12 nano SIM and a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got a headphone jack, a micro USB charging port, and a microphone. On top, we have nothing. The rear of the device houses a dual camera setup, a flashlight, and a fingerprint scanner. Speaking of the fingerprint scanner, the one on here is fast and responsive. I guess the reason it is this responsive is the faster refresh rate and the extra RAM capacity. Okay, moving on to the display, the Tecno Spark 8C comes with a 6.6 inch 720p cinematic LCD display. For a budget device, the display is decent for consuming media content. The most selling point of the Tecno Spark 8C is the memory fusion technology. If you're not aware of memory fusion technology, it is a technology designed to utilize unused ROM or storage to make them an extension of the smartphone's RAM. This feature helps to improve performance and general device responsiveness. The RAM of the Spark 8C can be expanded from 3GB to 7GB. Also, the Spark 8C supports 90Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and browsing through pages enjoyable. It also enables quick response when playing games, switching between apps, and fast loading of video playback. Okay, now to enable this feature, you have to update your Spark 8C first. Don't freak out, I'm going to walk you through the process of doing that. So to get started with the update process, make sure your battery is at least above 50%. And also make sure you have a good internet connection. I will advise you to connect to a Wi-Fi network for a stable connection, but your mobile network will still work fine. After that, head over to the settings app, then select system, and then select software updates, and then tap on the online updates, and then tap on continue. Once the update is complete, it will prompt you to reboot your device. The update comes in two phases. The first update addresses issues with AI gallery, optimizes the system performance, and fixes some other issues. Then the second update comes with the memory fusion technology, which is essential for your device performance. Google security patch as well, and also fixes some other issues. Once you're done with the update process, you can head over to settings, then select storage, and then select memory fusion. You can allocate the number of RAM size for the expansion capacity selection. You have an option to choose between 1, 2, or 3GB of RAM. And once you're done, tap on modify and restart, and that's it. Going back to the phone properties shows you a total number of RAM size that is allocated to your phone. The whole process improved performance drastically. Okay, moving on to the battery aspect, I would say the battery performance is really great, and it should add to the reason you should consider this device. Moving to the camera, the Spark 8C comes with a 30 megapixels camera and a VGA camera to compensate for its computational photography. The images are sharp with fine details for a budget device. Kindly go through the images and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. Now, to add to this, Tecno has made it easier to order the Spark 8C. You can now order the device from Tecno's website and get it delivered to your doorstep, which I think it is awesome. But alternatively, you can walk into any authorized outlet and just buy the device at once. So in conclusion, the Tecno Spark 8C has improved in a lot of ways, especially the memory fusion technology that gives you the ability to expand your RAM size for extra performance. It can handle basic tasks efficiently, and that should be fine for most people. Performance is really good thanks to the memory fusion technology and 90Hz refresh rate. So that is it guys, my review of the all new Tecno Spark 8C. Kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. Let's discuss. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the very next one. Bye bye.